Hello everyone, how to use Perplexity AI tool. So this is my Perplexity AI tool. I already log in the Google Chrome. Okay. And here you can see the left hand side, there are some options showing. You can create here the new trade and here the home option. In home option, you can see there are three tabs: finance, travel and academy. If you want to search particular about the finance, okay, and travel, academy, the library and your searched straight here showing, okay, your history. If you want to check the in detail history, click on the library arrow, just click on this arrow and you can see the in detail history of your library, the trades pages and images and app those you already searched. Okay, you can here use the sort option. Okay, newest to oldest also, newest and oldest, and you can check your the old history also. Okay, create the new trade, just click on the new trade option. Okay, and here the discover option showing here the different types of topics for you: the top, the tech and science, finance, art and culture, sport, entertainment. Okay. And in discover you can see here the one option, the personalized discover. Just click on this arrow and make it yours, the select the topics and interest to customize your discover experience. Okay, so you can save your the interest. So I just save tech and science, click on the save interest. So here in discover now you can see topics for you. So save here the tech and science in my interest. Okay, you can pin here discover. So pin the sidebar, you can pin this sidebar. Now you can use the perplexity. After that it's easily you can search. Okay, and you can check here your history threads also. Okay, and the next option, the spaces. Spaces is a welcome the create space. You can create this different space. Okay, you can search here the different your own threads. Okay, those you want to search in the particular area, you can search here and create your new space. Okay, and the next there is a your account profile here showing. Just click on this arrow and here you see there are lots of options available. Okay, the first is account, then the personalization, tags, notification, connection and etc. Okay, all setting you can do it here. Okay, and you can use the personalization option also. So I just click on the, let's see what is here. So there are so many options. Okay, introduce yourself and location you can select here. And in accounts you can see the all details of your accounts. Okay, and in tasks you can check your the created tasks. Okay, so I show you how to create the tasks first. Okay, so suppose I just open this travel and I search here the one travel. So here the India travel trends 2020. Okay, I search. Now I want to create the tags of these details. Okay, to go to the right hand side. Okay, just wait for the few seconds. It's in process. Okay, now it's done. Okay, then go to the right hand side, click on the three dots and click on the create tags option. And here you can see the dialog box is open, create tags. You can schedule your tags here as same as Google Calendar. You schedule your tags. You can here also schedule your tags. Okay, select the arrow and you can select weekly. If you want to set the weekly basis, you can select the day also, and you can select here the timing also. After that, click on your tasks you created. Now if you want to check this task, just click on this your profile arrow and click on the tasks, and here you can see so India travel trends weekly. Okay, schedule you. Okay, if you want to delete, just click on it and you can delete it. Okay, you can edit the timing also, and you can again save this your tags. Okay, this is a way you can create tags also in Perplexity AI tool. Okay, and here the notification also have notification option. And the connectors here showing. Okay, you can connect the, you can share the, if you want to share something, suppose I open this India travel trends. Okay, and here you can see the attached file, connect files. Okay, so you can connect file this true option. So this is the way this option you're showing here. Okay, so here you can see I probed the India travel trends 2025. Okay, if you you can edit here. Here you can see one option right hand side. Just click on it and you can edit easily. Okay, close this. And if you want to copy this query, you can copy this. Okay. In this answer, you can see the Perplexity AI showing the four tab. One is the answer, second is the images, third is the sources, and fourth is the steps. Okay. In answer, you can see the all details of related to your query. Okay, related to your prompt, and with this suggested question also here showing. Okay. So these details you can easily share it here. You can see the share option, share link. You can export this answer and you can rewrite it. And you can see one option here showing the, when I click on this showing the pro search here, this account is my pro. So therefore is showing the pro search. Okay. You can give here the feedback also, like, dislike, helpful, most helpful, or copy this content also. Okay. Just click on this three dot and view the sources. Okay. You can check the sources here. You can see the third tab is the sources here showing. Okay. Click on the sources tab and you can check the sources here also. Okay, AI generated the all details from this to all site. Okay, with the help of this all content. Okay, and the image you can check the all image related to India travel trends 2025. Okay, and in steps you can see here the AI how this generate all details. Okay, so these are the option is showing in generated details. If you want to share something details to any other person, here you can see the top side on the right hand side have an option share. Just click on the share. Okay, and copy the link and you can share the your trade to anyone. Okay, and here you can see when you enter the prompt there are some option. I show you again. Click on the new trade. Okay, and here the first option is the search fast answer to everyday questions. Pro, what is the pro enables? The 3x more sources with the powerful models and increase the limits. Is unlimited access for subscriber. So this is my pro Perplexity Pro. Okay, I already upgrade this. So this option is enabled for in-depth reports. Okay, and the second is research. Okay, for in-depth reports. Okay, the first is only search you can fast answer for everyday questions, and in-depth research. If you want to do in-depth research on any topic, you can choose the second option and you can search here. Okay, and the third one is labs. Create the project and scratch. Enable the turn your idea into the completed docs and slide dashboard. Here the pro enable this option. Okay, and here you can see set the sources for the search. Just click on this arrow. So these are the sources you can use for the search, and you can attach the here the file. If you want to upload any file, any image, you can upload it. And if you want to ask any question related to this image or file, you can put the prompt and you can get the result. Okay. Okay. You can dictation also, and you can voice mode, use the voice mode also. So these are the some options available in Perplexity Pro. It is so helpful for generating any details. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.